Damn, I forgot what I was gonna say.
And y'all had to wait for this video, man. I'm sorry. This was tough on me for real. This video for the supporters, man, for all the people that have been requesting this video for a while, man. There's so much going on. As some of y'all know, I got the crib going now. Got a little studio behind me. Nah, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing more of these videos, more of these tutorials. Down in the comments, whichever haircut y'all want me to do next. Any video, honestly, I'll try to find a model. If y'all trying to be a model too, comment down, hit the DMs. We'll get something going for sure. But no, yeah, this video I'll be doing a low tapered fringe with texture on top. I'll be doing sectioning, we're doing all that good stuff. Everything that you guys have been requesting from me. I would throw in a little bit of gems that I haven't really told anybody. I've kept those for a while now. I've been gatekeeping, but I've been thinking about intros for the past 20 minutes, bro. I couldn't think of anything. I'm gonna let y'all get into this video real quick. If y'all like it, like, subscribe, comment, all that, bro, please. I'm not gonna ask for anything. I'm not gonna put no goal or anything. Please give me to like 200 subscribers. That's a little too much. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that out. Nah, but I appreciate the support. Take That Risk hats will be down below in the description in the black and in the green colorway. Hope you guys like this video.